everyone, Monique here, Little Gems Jewelry Canada. Today we are going to be making a gorgeous pair of wire wrapped earrings, and we're going to start that in just a moment. Hi everyone, Monique here, Little Gems Jewelry Canada. Today we are going to be making a pair of green wire worked earrings. You're going to need your wire. Today I'm using some aluminum welding wire. I get this in the hardware store. I use it because it doesn't tarnish. I just love it for that reason. And it's 0.8 millimeters. So you're gonna want two lengths exactly the same size. I'm gonna say go about 2 feet. That's just so that you have lots to play with. Okay, and you want them the same size because you want your, even though they're handmade earrings, you want them kind of symmetrical. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're just gonna play with it. We're gonna have some fun. So I have these really pretty jade beads. So I think we'll use 4. Okay, so I think we'll start by finding the center. We don't want to put a kink, we just want to put a curve. Okay, and we'll put one of our beads down the center. Okay. And then I think we'll just like bring it up. Up, up, up. And then I think we will put a twist right there. Okay, so let's do the same thing. So we took the darker bead, put it on here. We're gonna bring it up, or bring it down to the center. Okay, and then we are gonna match this one. So we're gonna go to, to about here, was it? To about here. And we're gonna give it a twist. Okay. Then I think we should do I have these kind of square ones. So let's do a square and a round. Okay, and then with this one, we will go across and then around, and then we'll go across and around. Okay, so that's what we've got so far. Maybe then we'll go on this side, and we'll go on this side and go across and around and across and around. And then we can, let's make a spiral. So we'll cut this because it's a bit too long. We'll go about there. And then we'll just spiral it. Okay, grab the tip. We're gonna just start spiraling it. Okay, switch to your flat nose. We're just gonna keep spiraling. Just keep spiraling. Just keep spiraling. We'll go all the way in. And then we're just going to give it a little twist and bring it down. There we go. And then at this side, we're going to go like that. We're going to take our round nose. We'll grab them, go around the round nose, over. We'll wrap once, twice, 3 times. Cut that. Make sure that that back part is nice and tucked in, and there you go, guys. We just made a really cute earring. So try and match it with the other one, and there you go. So don't forget to check the description. I always put lots of goodies in my description. And yeah, hit the like and subscribe if you got any use of this. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye now.